everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited to bring you something fresh, hot off the presses, guys. I have not seen this anywhere, and I am honored beyond belief to be one of the first to show you what is coming down the pike for an amazing, wonderful company that we all love and adore. So let's get right to this. I have been working with this company, and they asked me, hey, we are experimenting with customs, and we were wondering if you, it went through DHL. Hell, it's not their fault, right? It's our shipping internationally. But they are experimenting with doing customs, and they asked me, would you like to be one of the trial people to deal with this? And I was like, absolutely, I am not turning this down. I love your company, I love your quality. Let's see what you have up your sleeve when it comes to customs. So who is this wonderful company? You guys all know them as Diamond Dotz, guys. Double D, right? And they are experimenting with customs. And so they had me send them a picture, and they helped evaluate based on the picture what size might look good. And I am super excited to see what we have in store. Oh my goodness, guys. Pictures that, they sent 2 kits. Okay. So if you are new to Diamond Dotz, they can be found, I know at Michael's. I do know I've seen a couple at Hobby Lobby, and they're amazing. They only do round. That's why they're Diamond Dotz, right? They have an amazing kit. I love these gray trays. Gray compared to green. Right here, I can see colors better in the gray. So I really like the gray boats. Great job, Diamond Dotz. Also, they have this amazing wax caddy with their logo, Diamond Dotz. And you open it, you take off the cover that protects your wax, you put it back in, and now you can use your diamond painting pen of choice, or they send you this amazing clear diamond pen with a squishy for comfort that you can slip right on. And it's really, it sits on there nicely, and you get everything you need in a Diamond Dotz kit. Amazing. I feel like they've thought of almost, if not everything. You also get some nice bags. They're not the cheapo bags. And so because of the size, it looks like they sent me 2, which is really amazing of them. Thank you so much. Okay. All right, let's see what we've got here. Diamond Dotz does have their own branding, so it comes in this sleeve with their logo, and their little saying is add some sparkle to your world. Okay, are you guys ready? This has, looks like 33 colors. This is a picture of my baby. Look at that. So this is a picture of my daughter when she was about 4, and there's a little pumpkin down here. What I like about Diamond Dotz, let me stand up so you can see it better, is at the bottom they have the design. So this is the actual canvas is 60 by 50. The fabric size is 68 by 58. And then Diamond Dotz shows you, now this is a full, so there won't be any difference, but it'll show you canvas and then where you're gonna diamond paint right here. So I really like that about them. And then they also give you 2 different, well, they're not different, 2 of the same keys over here, so that as you're working on it, you can definitely not have to worry whether you're working on the right or the left or the top or the bottom. It's got a pretty good sticky. There's something stuck on the glue right here, but it was easy to get off. So there are a few little what looks like wrinkles, but they're not wrinkles. They are because of the plastic and shipping wasn't completely, you can't do that with plastic, right? So it's, the glue is perfectly fine. Over here. As you can see, I'm looking at it. These are just, they're not rivers or anything like that. It's, I guess the right word is impressions from during the shipping, but it doesn't affect the canvas or the glue at all. And you can see already their canvas starts to lay flat on its own. They do the stitching around the sides so that if it does start to shred based on the fabric, it's going to stop the shredding. You can tell on the back if there's going to be any bubbles or ripples. This is just based on, let me double check that spot right there. Nope, we're good. So it's just based on how it shipped. That's why you need to be careful when you lay it back down. So yeah, so this is my baby. And we will see how the shading goes based on the dots that they chose. That's kind of why we're doing this. And then I'm going to turn this over so that we have like a white surface to look at these lovely drills. So these are the dots. Now these are going to come different than when they come in the package that you purchase, because again, this is seeing if they want to get into the custom. So they did write right on here, A26, A17. So it does list their colors. Diamond Dotz has their own color palette. So that's kind of cool. Oh, that's a wayward one. It snuck out. So yeah, so I will be going through all of this just to make sure that all the colors are here, but I'll do that off screen so you don't have to sit here and watch me do everything. However, you can see they're in baggies, which is really nice. I don't have to kit it up myself. Oop, I gotta be careful because if I rip that off, that's gonna rip that bag. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave. Ooh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Ooh. Okay, I think I did it. I did surgery. We're safe. Okay, so these colors are really nice fall colors. Diamond Dotz has really good quality drills. I'm not seeing anything that would tell me differently. When you get a kit that is not custom with Diamond Dotz, they come weighed and packaged in a strip, and that works for me too. But these are all weighed and they're all labeled, like the A20, A4, A19, A30. So they all have their own color. Oh, here we go, more surgery. Yeah. So I want to thank Diamond Dotz for giving me the opportunity to be a tester for them. I'm going to be working on this as soon as I can so that we can see, or they can get feedback and see how it goes. I'm really excited. I hope it turns out well. Diamond Dotz always wants to put their best foot forward. They've brought us great products before. Most of Diamond Dotz that I've seen are partials, but they do have a couple fulls. You can get them at Michael's. I've seen them at Hobby Lobby. You can use coupons on them. And I'm looking forward to what they have coming out for this Halloween. They had some really great Halloween ones with glow-in-the-dark drills last year. I'm looking forward to their Christmas ones, see what they have in store. I really like that they do themes around the holidays. I did see they came out with like a Disney line. Stitcherista did a great job unboxing Cinderella. So definitely check out Diamond Dotz, see what they have to offer, use those coupons, and have so much fun diamond dotting away. And I can't wait to see what your projects are, and I can't wait to see what this project is. So stay tuned, see what we have in store, and I will catch you later. Take care, be blessed. Hey guys, we're back. So I just wanted to update you. There were no issues whatsoever with the drills. They're all here. Can't wait to use them. But I did want to go over some statistics with you that I forgot to mention before that are just really important for you to know. And I just thought these were fun facts, right? Normally we don't get these kind of fun facts behind the scenes. And I wanted to let you know that the diamonds themselves, or the dots, have 13 facets in them. And they're heavier than most of the diamonds used by others, so that they give more of a substantial color pop. Also, the fabric that they use is 100% polyester, and so that while you're dotting, it holds up to you using it, flexing it, touching it. That's amazing. The adhesive was actually developed in the United States exclusively for Diamond Dotz, and it was developed to handle heavier diamonds, which makes sense because their dots are a heavier and more substantial quality, right? Also, when you normally get the packets, it's called like a sausage way of packing it. They are actually in line with the number system here, so it's really easy to kit up for yourself, ready to go. Also, in 2016, they came up with the no fray technology. So they were one of the first ones to use that innovative technology. They also are the first company to print on a woven fabric, opposed to vinyl. And yeah, I just wanted to let you know those key things. Also, they really make sure that they have a clear compliance and safety on all of their packaging, especially since the dots are so small that you need to make sure that kids don't get a hold of them. I know, I love on Facebook, we all say, I saw one where someone's diamond fell in her wine. Oh my goodness, if a diamond fell in my cherry Coke, I'd probably end up drinking it. Be careful, don't do that. So I wanted to let you know about that. And I just wanted to let you know that if you buy from other companies off of, AliExpress or Wish, different things like that, there's not as high of a standard for safety compliance. And so that's just kind of really awesome that they have that available. So there's just kind of some fun facts behind the scenes, right? Diamond painting, Diamond Dotz, we're so new to it, and as we grow, we like to learn more. So I just wanted to keep you posted on that. And then while I have you, I want to see what this part on her cheeks are, and that is A12. So let's find A12 and see what my daughter's cheeks are gonna look like. Are they gonna be rosy? Let's see, A21, A26, A31. Of course, it's going to be probably the last one I look at, right? Isn't that always the case? You would think I would have done this when I was counting them all. Okay, so that's A12. So even though it looks gray on here, don't worry, I think it's going to come out amazing. So I just wanted to show you that. I know you guys weren't worried, but I was a little worried because it looks gray on here. But again, trust the system. They know what they're talking about. They know how to design it. Let's see how it turns out and see if they got it right. And I hope they did, and I'm sure they did. So we will check that out. So again, I'm going to say goodbye. Hopefully this time it's for real. I'll see you later. Take care.